Hey, this is Pat with Rugged Ridge, and I want to introduce the Venator Bumper. This is our premium line bumper for the JL and the JT. This is a stamped steel bumper with a nice solid core for the winch mount. Also has these very beefy tow hooks on the front, which, like our other bumpers, has the ability to use a soft sleeve or a soft shackle, as well as dual drilled holes here for your 3/4 and 7/8 pins D-rings. So it gives you a lot of versatility for your recovery needs. What you're seeing on this bumper here is an optional overrider that's available for it as well. This will be available in February, but the Venator bumper is out now. As you can see, this is a winch capable bumper. You can put a steel cable or a synthetic cable winch in here. Works with most bottom mount winches. And it is a dual tone bumper. So it does have a nice gunmetal finish on the bottom portion and a satin black finish on the rest of it. It'll work with factory fog lights, or you can put aftermarket LEDs in there if you like. And it has a great line to this vehicle. So one of the things that's unique about the bumpers that we're making for the JL and the JT is they're very specifically made for this vehicle. This hugs this grille beautifully, and it can be retrofitted back to earlier models. The design on this is very different. So you're finding this split case design. It is a stamped steel bumper. A lot of companies that are making bumpers are still doing a cut fold weld style. So stamped steel is a little bit more expensive process, but it gives you a lot more versatility in just the functionality and design of the bumper itself. Because it's stamped steel, you've got a very strong shell, but you don't have the weight in the bumper that you got in a cut fold weld bumper. So you're saving some of the weight on here as well.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.